If you're looking to track EverWebinar webinars with Google Ads, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through how to make the most of both platforms, ensuring you get the most accurate tracking and insights to optimize your webinars. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete step-by-step process that'll make your EverWebinar tracking seamless. First, let's clarify what EverWebinar is. EverWebinar is an automated webinar software that allows you to host webinars on autopilot. It's a great tool to scale your business without needing to be live every time. Now, when paired with Google Ads, it can drive traffic to your webinars, allowing you to capture leads and make sales. But how do you track this all properly with Google Ads? Next thing, you'll need to set up Google Ads conversion tracking. If you're already running ads, you might be familiar with Google Ads conversion tracking. This allows you to track specific actions that people take on your site. For EverWebinar, you want to track when someone registers or attends a webinar, which are key actions for your campaign. You'll need to create a conversion action in your Google Ads account, which we'll dive into shortly. Now, the third thing, setting up the conversion tracking code. After creating the conversion action in your Google Ads account, you'll be given a piece of code. This code needs to be placed on your EverWebinar registration confirmation page or thank you page. This is crucial because once someone registers, the conversion will be recorded in your Google Ads account. If you're unsure where to paste the code, EverWebinar makes it easy with a specific field for tracking pixels and scripts. The fourth thing is linking Google Ads with EverWebinar. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to make sure EverWebinar knows when a conversion has occurred. To do this, use EverWebinar's built-in integrations with Google Tag Manager or a direct script setup. Google Tag Manager is especially useful because it simplifies the tracking process by managing all your tags from one central place, ensuring nothing gets missed. Next, you'll want to ensure your Google Ads are optimized to target the right audience. With EverWebinar, you can track who is registering and attending based on the ads they clicked on. Make sure you're segmenting your audience effectively and using dynamic retargeting to maximize conversions from people who didn't register the first time. The sixth thing to note is retargeting with Google Ads. EverWebinar works perfectly with Google Ads retargeting features. Once someone visits your registration page but doesn't sign up, you can set up a retargeting campaign to bring them back. By using Google's custom audience features, you can target these warm leads and get them back into the registration funnel. Before we wrap up, let me mention that you can use EverWebinar for free from the first link in the description below. We also offer exclusive bonuses that can help you get started with a leg up on the competition. So, be sure to check that out before we finish. In summary, tracking EverWebinar webinars with Google Ads is a straightforward process when you follow these key steps. Set up Google Ads conversion tracking, paste the tracking code on your registration or thank you page. Integrate Google Ads with EverWebinar using Google Tag Manager, optimize your ads, and retarget your visitors. This will not only help you understand your webinar performance, but also ensure your ads are working as efficiently as possible. Finally, don't forget, by using the link below, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial of EverWebinar with our bonus features. That's it for today. I hope this quick guide helped clear up how to track EverWebinar webinars with Google Ads.